please go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk. If you want to get yourself some sea moss, go over to my website, chefricardo.co.uk. Use the link Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright? Okay, so now this is going to be a recipe which you guys never see before, and I like to share new ideas with you. Okay, so what you want to do is soak some oats overnight, like this. This is some oats right here I've been soaking overnight, and that's the way the oats look when you soak it overnight. Okay, so that's what you want to do, soak some oats overnight, and then what you want to do, pour it into the blender just like this. This is a lot of fiber, very good for you. You don't need any sugar and honey for this. Alright, that's gonna be all natural. Alright, so soak some oats overnight, roughly about 2 tablespoons of oats. Alright, this is your recipe, this one, you know. Jamaica recipe queen, good morning. Thank you so much. Right there, we're gonna put 1 finger of ripe banana inside of it. Alright, yeah, 1 finger of ripe banana. But this is what's the benefit of cracks me up. Lord have mercy. What's the benefit of drinking oats water? Please do your Google research. Alright, go over to Jamaica Recipe Queen. Go over to Jamaica Recipe Queen YouTube channel and just see what Jamaica Recipe Queen have over there. Vanessa cracks me up. Vanessa saying, what's the benefit of drinking oats water? Lord have mercy. Alright, go over to Jamaica Recipe Queen YouTube channel and check it out. Dolce, good morning. Thank you so much for your support and your daughter supporting Chef Ricardo. I really appreciate it 100%. Okay. Alright. If you want if you want to know what is drinking oats water, yeah? Please, Vanessa, I would ask you, can you go over to Jamaica Recipe Queen? Go over to Jamaica Recipe Queen YouTube channel and check out our YouTube channel if you want to learn something new. Yes, it's not. God have mercy, it cracks me up. But anyway, this is just one recipe I want to share with you. So basically, some oats and some ripe banana. Alright? And if anyone want to know anything about soaking oats overnight into water, please go to Jamaica Recipe Queen YouTube channel. Check out our YouTube channel and see what she got over there. Alright? So what we're going to do, we're going to put roughly about half teaspoon of honey or a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Alright? You don't need to, but it's just option. Okay? It's just option with the honey. So this is just 2 ingredients, guys, you need it. Alright? And if you want, to be honest with you, you can add a lot more stuff to it, but it doesn't need it. You can just work it with these 2 ingredients right here. Alright? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply blend this. Alright? I'm not going to be keeping the show too long. God have mercy. So, yeah. Here's the thing. What do you think about soaking oats overnight? If anyone want to know what's the recipe of soaking oats overnight, please go to Jamaica Recipe Queen YouTube channel and you will learn something new. Alright, now, so as you can see, just a little bit of water from the oats and 1 finger of banana. Alright, little bit of honey. So what we're going to do, we're just going to blend this. Alright, and if you like, what you can do, you can put a egg yolk in it, but a lot of people may not like egg yolk, so you know. But what we're going to do, we're going to blend this. That's it, guys. it is. So basically, if you're a person who wake up in the morning and just say to yourself, okay, I'm gonna before I even go to the gym, I want to drink something, or you know what I mean, I want to boost up your immune system and your body. All right. So right here, just pour it into your cup like this. What is going on? Oh, some redness from my blender. That's why. So guys, if you want to learn anything about this oats, soaking oats overnight. So basically, this is what happens when you blend the oats. All right, and the ripe banana. That's what's going on right there. So you don't need a lot of ingredients to do this one. It's only 2 ingredients very needed in this one. All right, it's just the oats. Soak your oats overnight and use the water, and you know what I mean, and a finger of ripe banana. You don't need nothing with a little bit of honey. You know what I mean. This is one of the strongest energy drink in the world, 100%. All right, this help, and it have a lot of fiber. All right, so it's very, very good. And you know, yeah, I would encourage you guys to give this one a try at home. Okay, if you got some time. All right, just go in the kitchen and soak some oats overnight. And if you don't understand what does it mean, go over to Jamaica Recipe Queen YouTube channel and check out our YouTube channel and get some more ideas and tips on what soaking oats overnight. All right. Does you got any recipe you can share with us on oats? You know what I mean? If you got any oats recipe, you can share with us. All right. But this is a very lovely recipe, guys, and I will encourage you to give it a try at home. Not only that, you got a lot of fiber, and oats is all natural. Okay, a lot of people like oats, and like myself, I love my oats. You know what I mean? Yeah. So give it a try and give it a go. But I want to say thank every one of you guys for your time watching this on an amazing episode. We will be coming with a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. So soak your oats overnight, get your finger of banana, blend it up together and drink it in the morning. Help to boost up your immune system and boost up your body. And it's all natural, okay? I just add a little bit of honey to it. If you got some sea moss, you can add a little bit of sea moss to it. All right, very, very good energy drink. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and we will be coming with some more recipes.